Hey guys, today we'll be doing a squishy slash slime challenge, so let's get into the video. I'm going to rush between these two because they're not really that interesting. I'm probably going to rush between those two because I really want to get to the slime and the Play-Doh stuff part. So this is little Joe. He's super squishy and he's orange. You can get him from Walmart, but I don't know if they still have him. His face is very cute too. And he's so soft if you do that. This is Snickers. We call him Snickers because look at his face, how sneaky he looks, and he is sneaky. You lay him down, he's very soft. He has that long tail. Sorry if I'm going so fast, but I want to do it so we can get to the slime part. This is Moonlight. I call her Moonlight because look at her color. And I got it from a best friend. Look at that little nose. Second, we have Peanut Butter. It's a pink little bunny with cutest little ears and the cutest little tail. Squishy too. This is Butter. I call him Butter because he is yellow, and yellow Butter is yellow. His head is bent because when we got him out of the package, his head was like that. Now we have these two. These two go together like a drink and a sandwich. Not a sandwich, but a burger. They're super squishy too. On to the slime. Yes, we're finally here. Now I won't go super fast on this. The reason is because I love the slime. So this is called unicorn bubblegum slime. I call it that because it kind of looks like bubblegum, as you can see. And we stick the Pegasus unicorn in it. Has like little pigs and like beads and sparkles. With the unicorn in it. This is like my little table for now because I have carpet as my floor. Okay. Oh, let me spell that. Yeah. So that's my unicorn bubblegum slime. There we go. Shut that. Now we have my disco slime. I call it disco because it has a bunch of like beads, foam beads in it. My camera won't sit. Okay, there. Let me open it. There's a bunch of beads in it. Look at that, because that's all it has in it. And like, it's pink slime. And it's really pretty. Dang. They're all over the place. Dang. Ew. I'll put that. Yeah. Okay, there. Let's put that away. Almost finished putting it away. And now let me grab my other one. Let me get it. Next we have my tropical unicorn slime. I named it tropical because it has a bunch of fruits in it, like kiwi, and it's kind of tropical, and it's a pretty orange. It's like some beets in it. See some kiwi, some strawberries, some apples, some lemons. Yeah. It's super pretty. Okay. Finish with that. And the last little slime. This is called the disco fruit slime. It has bunches and bunches of fruit. Oh gosh. Bunches and bunches of fruit in it. So, that's what I'm going to show you. See how much? And ducks. About like 1 or 2 ducks. Eesh. Okay. And I'll find that later anyways. My mom might walk in here, so. But because this is not, and I gotta go to bed in a minute. This is a Play-Doh slime. I make slime from Play-Doh. I guess I don't know how they make it. It's probably just randomly slime made, but like they call it the Play-Doh. This is blue Play-Doh slime. Yeah, I like it, but if you never drop this on a carpet, it stains it, even though it's slime. Okay, on to a yellow one. It's very pretty. Same brand. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. It doesn't make that sound, but it's very smooth. Ugh, my camera keeps falling down. Ugh, I hate that. There. On to the purple one. That's the last Play-Doh slime. Oof. Stuck to the top too. Okay. This one barely gets played with. I don't know why. It's a pretty color though. Camera back up. And when it kind of makes sound, dang it. Sorry. Hate how my camera keeps falling down. Yeah, it doesn't make that much sound, really. Pop that lid back on. Now we're just gonna do some more classic Play-Doh. So this is turquoise. It doesn't really look like that color, but that's how I got it. I don't know why. Ugh, come out. Okay, there. Okay, I got some of this. This is not slime, because see, look, it's dough. It breaks. It's very good, too. I mean, it's very good dough. Probably call it Play-Doh because you can play with it and it's dough. Most little kids like it, like they have molds and stuff. Yeah, this is a very pretty color. I have about like 2 jars of it. That's all I have because, and this, now I'll show you my other one. I only have 2 jars because I barely play with it. I don't know why. Probably because I'm getting too old for it. I mean, but we're only going to take out half of this one because there's a lot in it. See how big it is? It might look small on the camera, but it's big actually. This is a dark blue. Let's see if you can compare it. I mean, yeah, you can. Yeah. This is very pretty. So, last but not least is my clear the slime. Now, you guys must have saw this glitter right here. I'm gonna put this glitter into that. So let's get it out and let's do it. Wait 1 sec. Wait. I'm gonna pour this in right fast. Hope you guys enjoy. Hit the subscribe button and leave a like. Comment down below which one was your favorite. Bye.